Hello, and thanks for tuning in again. I'm a little early today, so the volumes haven't really been finalised yet, but this is my last chance to do a video live for a little while, so I thought I'd make the effort and put together a live update of the XJO today. So I won't be able to do them for a little while. It'll be back to written updates just for a little while now in response. Just finished putting these lines in. Interestingly, volumes were pretty high today for a Monday, surprisingly high down here. Generally a Monday's low volume while the market waits for overseas markets to trade. But today's volume's already slightly above the recent average, and there's an hour or so before volumes actually finalise for the day, so it could be a little bit higher than that yet. So anyway, the market traded slightly lower today. Spread was reduced further, and if you notice, today's bar was an inside bar to last Friday's bar, which itself was an inside bar to last Thursday's bar. So the market is trading sideways and absorbing supply, and volumes have been pretty good for this time of year and considering where we are. So I'm expecting this little zone in here may be significant in the end and worth watching for where price responds to. Now, with a push higher from the recent lows, and then a test for supply, and then a secondary push higher and a test for supply, and the market's sort of trading in a grinding range now, I'm expecting that the market will push higher in response, but with the volumes that are going through in this little sideways range, whichever way the market responds, it's likely to be a significant response, at least in the near term. And I would pay attention to which way it moves. At the close of trade today, the market finished 12.1 points lower. So, as I said, it was an inside bar, as was the previous bar, and it was really an absorption bar. There was no attempt to push higher. There was no challenge to the highs of the range. But any supply that was drawn out, it appears, was being absorbed, which for me suggests the market is more biased towards the upside than the downside. But we always wait for the response before we confirm that. Okay, thanks for your time. See ya.